So, you think we do not know that our plantain is ripe to cut? Or we don't know that we had plantain there? Eh? Please come inside.
Come in and do what? Come inside where? I am not cut out for your deceits and evil. Now why did you do what you did?
She wanted me to marry and give her children. And I failed her. I failed her. I can still hear her last words. She said to me, Obum, I'm going to die an unhappy woman.
It's okay.
Oh, how do I face the future? How?
We are talking about successful farmers, hunters, wrestlers. And here you are, making a noise about Nwadibia Nyanzu, who has not achieved anything in Umeze.
Excuse me? Adako, is this really you? So you stand here to talk about my own man as a non-achiever?
Sorry, Chief. Listen, Chiwendo.
Obum neke, obum marama, iko geno munti. Obum neke, wani marama, agama bunkegi.
Never! If you love your life, stay away from the Jofo. Never! Neither fowl, nor fish, nor good red herring shall make that happen. A Jofo shall be mine. Yes, mine. Nobody will take him away from me. He's my man.
I will go and rest. Rest from the pain, from the heartbreak, the insults. She later found out that I was the reason the gods made her pass through the evil forest to save me. Meadoye's son and his wife died in the Kwanu kingdom. from the pain and the heartbreak, the insults. She later found out that I was the reason the gods made her pass through the evil forest to save me. Nne Adoye's son and his wife died in the Kwanu kingdom.